Hi, in this lesson we'll be working on puddles. Let's duplicate the asphalt surface and delete the displacement and UVW modifier. I will rename it water. Add a thickness using a shell modifier. I will apply a simple water material from the library. Let's move the water object to the 0 level. Now we can see the first puddle. I will lower the mix amount a bit to see more water. Actually, for now, let's make the water material a simple color so we can see the puddles clearly. Great, I love the small details in the foreground. Let's lower the mix amount a bit more. You can see that we have some tiling going on. Let's break it using texture randomizer. Now, you just have to play around with these values until you like the result. I will make a displacement map less stretched by lowering the width value. Let's go back to the texture randomizer. This looks good with more going on in the foreground. Now we can use an offset to move the puddles around and find the best spot for them. When you are happy with the result, let's go back to the water material. Next, let's plug the glossiness map. We have it already in the scene. We just need to copy it and turn off the invert option. It's too matte. I will use color correction to make it brighter. We can also play around with the reflection level. Let's create more puddles close to the curbs. I will use a distance texture to do so. Pick the curbs as the object. Then, I will plug it to the diffuse slot to see how it works. Also, I will remove other things from the material for now. To get some variations, I will plug the noise map to the distance scale and adjust the scale. When it is more or less adjusted, let's plug it to the displacement slot. Now, let's combine it with the previous texture using the mix map. I will use the distance texture as a mix amount map. I will plug all the textures back to the material. We have to plug displacement texture to the color 2 slot of the mix map. Then, I will use the same textures for slot 1, but this time I will make them darker using color correction. This way the displacement will pull down these areas. As the base is ready, let me tweak some settings. I will offset the displacement texture to move the puddles around. Looking good so far. In the next lesson, we'll finish this material. See you there!